Now, as we go into the next session, which is where we will look at some of those capabilities that Jagdish talked about. First and foremost is about how does Sunbird essentially offer a rich and a variety of learning experiences to learners. And once that's offered, what are the sort of capabilities that are available for the purposes of assessing or providing using questions to assess the learning within the learners. To talk more about it, may I invite Suren and Manmeet to take us to the next two blocks of our session.
Yeah, thank you, Salil. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're able to see my screen.
Yes.
Right. So as you saw, Sunbird enables rich learning experiences to unlock human potential at scale. In today's age of remote learning that we're all experiencing, it's crucial to provide rich and diverse learning opportunities to everyone. You must already be thinking, how can you leapfrog by leveraging unique, innovative capabilities that Sunbird offers? Let's look at them. To cater to a wide spectrum of educational, training, and learning needs across age groups, modes of delivery, and context, Sunbird enables you to provide these learning experiences in a variety of formats. It supports most commonly used formats in which you already might have content, so that you can jumpstart your journey of adopting Sunbird in your context. Or one can even enable new forms of learning by creating innovative formats such as video intermixed with questions. Formats have been evolving over the years. It started with maybe a document way back in 1990s or earlier, and now we are experiencing much immersive formats like AR and VR. So they have been evolving over years, and we are at Sunbird built to withstand disruption. It's not only these formats, but you can enable any new format on Sunbird. And all these formats enable a variety of interactive experiences. For example, we have developed an open source specification for interactive question sets, using which you can enable quizzes, practice worksheets, assessments, and more. Or you can leverage any of the other open source formats and make things like 3D experiences, simulations, explanation content, e-textbook, teacher aids, instructional material, or anything at all, right? And these formats can bring concepts to life and make it really engaging for learners to learn. With the recent boost in online learning, these become your Swiss knife to tackle any learning needs. Take a look at this. Maybe you'll relate to some of these in your context as you think of adopting Sunbird. And now, to be inclusive and to truly serve the diversity at scale, all these experiences can be in multiple languages. Not only Indian languages, but even international languages can be enabled. So while Sunbird is widely used for school education and other purposes in India, it is built in India for the world. To impart effective learning, one needs to understand the concept from various perspectives. Our learners need to have engaging audiovisual experiences, fun interactive activities, hands-on simulations, action projects where they learn by doing or apply their learnings to real-life problems, and much more. So the question is, how will you leverage this in your organization? And to help you get started, we have some out-of-the-box building blocks that help you kickstart your journey by uploading your existing learning assets or by creating new interactive experiences. You are in control of what gets published onto the platform and how it looks. These tools are built to foster innovation by developing plugins for them. Imagine if a creator could create content as per the need just by selecting a few criteria. For example, if I could say, create a flashcard game with 20 commonly used words in agriculture domain. And the system in a few clicks would give me a flashcard game without me having to type each one of those words, look up their meaning, or even find pictures to represent them. And that's the power of being able to configure and extend Sunbird. And finally, these learning experiences can be embedded anywhere. In your own app or portal, there are players for various formats to provide engaging, rich, and diverse experiences. Anytime, anywhere, to anyone. I hope you enjoyed learning about the unique capabilities of learning assets on Sunbird. Before we jump on to the next one, Salil, are there any questions or should we continue?
I had one perspective, so Suren, if you go back to that slide that had formats, I just wanted to bring in the perspective that each one of these formats are actually coming in there to serve an adopter's perspective, right? So Suren, and an adopter has either contributed or somebody else has contributed to serve this particular purpose. And that's how Sunbird is growing.
Right, yeah. JB, would you share that perspective is this the slide you are referring to?
Yeah, so this next one, for example, the one that had all the formats, right? Each one of these, and this is just the initial list. And in the last year itself, multiple formats have come in, and each adopter may bring in some contributions that was a person. That's the way to think about from an adopter's perspective. This is not to be evaluated as the current list. It is to be thought of as the current list, which could be expanded upon.
Right. It's an evolving platform as various puzzle pieces come together. Yeah.
Right. Yes, we have one question from the audience, Suren. So if an adopter organization has existing content, it could be there in some PDFs or in some shape and form. How easy is it for that adopter organization to take their existing content and put it up on Sunbird?
Right. So in a nutshell, yes, it's quite easy. There are tools to bulk upload your content, and you would know, you will know more about these in the next coming sessions about sourcing of assets. But yes, it's sort of pretty easy to just bulk upload your existing content on Sunbird.
All right, thank you.
So, okay. Another way to think about it is Sunbird allows you to have your own way of organizing the content to meet your needs of your learners. And so content uploading is one aspect of presenting the content for the sake of learning. And so Sunbird actually enables you to organize it the way you want and present the way you want. And the formats of types of content that you want is also displayed here.
Right. Yeah, we are going to talk about the formatting, the presentation, the tagging in the next aspect. Right? My friend Kamesh will talk us through the organizing and tagging capabilities of Sunbird.